Hey y'all, I'm back with another fall recipe, and today we're going to be making a no-bake pumpkin pudding pie. And what you're going to need, you need 1 can of pumpkin, you need some Jello pudding mix, the French vanilla, you need some pumpkin pie spice, you need Cool Whip, you're also going to need a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, you need a graham cracker crust and some vanilla extract. And y'all, if you don't have the pumpkin spice, use nutmeg, cloves, cinnamon, and ginger. Now you want to take your 1 can of pumpkin mix or pureed pumpkin and just want to pour it into a bowl. And y'all, I thought this was going to be nasty because I hate pumpkin, but this was actually really good. It didn't taste like pumpkin. It tastes like sweet potatoes to me. So y'all don't sleep on this recipe. Go ahead and make it. And now you want to take your pudding mix and make sure it's not the one that you cook and serve over the stove. Make sure it's instant. And your 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Mix it very well. And y'all, I love fall. It's my favorite time of year. Just like I wish fall was all year long. And you're going to take 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and your Cool Whip, and I think this is 8 ounces, so 8 ounces of Cool Whip. And you want to mix it well. Then you want to pour it into your graham cracker crust and just spread it around. And y'all, after we get it spread around, you want to stick it in your freezer for about 3 hours. Or you could put it in your refrigerator for 6 hours. It all depends on how you like it. But I stuck mine in the freezer because I like my stuff to be very, very cold. Now y'all, here's the pie, and I had already took a little slice out of it just to make sure it was firm enough. So I did leave it in there a couple of more hours. This was probably after 2 hours. But y'all, let's have a bite. And y'all, it don't get no better than this. Have some. Y'all, this was so good. I had to get another bite. That's how good it was. Y'all go make this pie, y'all. Enjoy.